How is everybody today? Great, excellent. I'm great today. Thank you for asking. Okay, let's talk about what we've been learning so far. What have we been learning? What have we been learning about in this class? Right, we've been learning about space, right? Okay, so today we're going to learn about distances in space. Distance is how far away something is, right? Okay, so let's start by thinking about distances on the Earth. What's the longest trip you've ever taken? And how long did it take you? Give me some examples. Okay. Yes, Jenny, you went to Japan. Wow, cool. How long did it take you to travel to Japan? Okay, it took maybe 3 hours, right? From Beijing to Japan? Right, very good. Okay, what did you do in Japan? You ate sushi. I know you love sushi, right? Okay, excellent. Somebody else. What was the longest trip you've ever taken? Yes, Annie. Wow, cool. Okay, so you went to Singapore, right? And you ate durian fruit. Durian fruit is very smelly, right? Does it taste good? All right, very good. I have never tried it. So tell me, how long did it take you to travel from your home in China to Singapore? 6 hours? Okay, and you traveled by plane, right? Wow, cool. Okay, let's do one more. Kitty, I know you took a trip recently. Where did you go? Right, you went to Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. How long did it take you to travel to Florida? 17 hours. Wow, that's a long time. Okay. What did you do on the plane for 17 hours? You read a book and slept. Okay, that's what I do when I'm on a plane. All right. So now that we've talked about distances on the Earth, let's think about distances in space. How long do you think it would take for you to travel from Earth to Mars? Take a guess. Take a guess. Okay, 2 weeks, 4 months. Okay, 5 months. Okay, you ready to hear the answer? Okay, it would take you 9 months to go from Earth to Mars. Wow! What would you do on a plane or a rocket ship for 9 months? Read a lot of books, right? Do a lot of homework. Okay. All right. So today we are going to learn about distances in space. And to do that, we're going to watch a part of a video by Bill Nye the Science Guy. Has anybody ever heard of Bill Nye the Science Guy? No? Okay, this will be fun. We will learn more about Bill Nye in just a moment. But first, let's go over our objectives for today. Okay, objective number one, we will listen to the video clip and then we will find the main idea and supporting details. And to do that, we'll use our KWL chart. And if you don't know what that is, that's okay. We will learn about this in just a moment. Okay, so our next objective, we're going to practice saying the short I sound today. What is the short I sound? Does anybody remember? Okay, yes, good try, Kitty. But that's the long I sound. It says I, right? Like bike, okay? What's the short I sound? Right, like itch, right? Okay, very good. And last, today, you are going to summarize the listening, or you will summarize the video in a 2-minute speech. Oh no, and everybody says speech. Ah, I know, it's scary, right? Speaking is scary, but we will learn some new tools that you can use today to make speaking easier and less scary. Okay? It will be fun, I promise. It's not scary. Okay. Okay, so let's learn about Bill Nye. Bill Nye made a TV show called Bill Nye the Science Guy. And on this show, he told people about all different kinds of things, like volcanoes and how we eat and digest our food. Today's video is about distances in the solar system and in all of space. Okay, so Bill Nye, before he had his TV show, he was an engineer. Do you know what an engineer is? Okay, yes, very good, Stephen. People who drive trains are called engineers, right? He was a different engineer, though. An engineer can also be used to describe somebody who uses science to make things like rocket ships or bridges, right? So that's the kind of engineer he was. But at the same time, he was also a comedian, right? He made people laugh. So when we watch this video today, you will see how he uses both his experience as a scientist and his experience as a comedian to make science fun and interesting today. All right, so today we're using this chart to think about what we know, wonder, and have learned about distances in space. So we do the K and W parts first before we watch the video, and then afterwards we'll write what we've learned in the L column. And this is important because this is going to help us identify the supporting details and main idea. So you actually use the L part of your chart today to plan and prepare for your speech. Okay? All right, so let's do these two columns together. Let's do a few together. So K stands for know, right, good, what you know. What do you know about distances in space? That's a tough one. Okay, let's break it down. Which planet is closest to the sun? That's a distance, right? Yes, very good. Mercury is closest to the sun. Okay, let's write that down in the K column. Good. What else do we know about distances in space? Distances in the solar system, even. Yes, very good. The farthest planet is not Uranus, but Neptune. Okay, good. Let's write that down.